Kia ora. So today I've got a lot of tomatoes to use up, and most of you will probably know that the Surfdale Fruit and Veg closed yesterday, temporarily we hope, because that's a very useful spot for people to get their fruit and veg who live around Surfdale. And so I've got a heck of a lot of tomatoes from them, which they were virtually giving away, and I'm going to make a really simple thing. So it's a roasted tomato sauce. You slow roast your tomatoes. They can be slightly soft, they can be pretty manky. Cut out the bad bits, put them in a roasting dish, put some garlic cloves if you have them in with, and also some chopped onions. You can grab some rosemary. So into our roasted tomatoes we're going to put some salt. I've already done a little bit of that. There we go. Some pepper. We're all pepper fans here. Some rosemary. You could also put a little bit of star anise. You can remove that after the roasting thing. We've got the garlic will flavour the oil beautifully, and then just to sweeten it, you can add a tiny bit of brown sugar, or if you've got some balsamic vinegar, pop that in as well. And now start your slow roasting. There they go, all ready to roast.